What's up everyone? Mr. Jocz here with a quick video on how to study for APUSH. How do you study effectively, efficiently so you can pass the exam in May? A little bit about myself. I've been teaching for 15 years, been in the APUSH gang for 15 years, and at a poor urban school in Los Angeles, public high school, we've had tremendous success with these methods. First thing I tell my students before they begin a chapter is they should check out and preview the key concepts. Identify the key concepts that are going to be covered in the chapter, and just in case you don't know, this can be found in the College Board framework. The key concepts are broken up as such. So you have the main key concept, which is the big theme, the big idea of a particular period. Then you have a sub-concept, and within that sub-concept, you have other topics. If you go to the website, apushexplained.com, I have all this stuff right here on the website. If you click on any of these links, you scroll on down, you will see the framework right there. You can click it, period 1, period 2, and so on. There are 9 periods total. When you click the link, you will find the key concept, and you can go ahead and print out this graphic organizer and annotate and become familiar with the vocabulary and the themes they want you to focus on. Once you got an idea of the big things that you need to be looking out for as you go through the chapter, then I tell my students to go ahead and watch the Jocz Productions video. You should download the slides. You can find them all on the website in the following places. And I really suggest watching the video before reading the chapter, kind of a big preview. You don't go into a movie without having a little sense of what it's going to be about. Same idea. Go through the video, watch it, and as you're watching it, you're going to get a sense of what's important. And the way you're going to know that is as you're watching the video, the most important topics and themes are bolded in red. And so these are things that are either in the College Board framework or make very good examples of ideas found in the framework as well. Now, something my students do, and I find it very helpful to keep us focused, is as you watch the video with those slides you've downloaded, annotate the left side of the slides. And so this kind of keeps you actively engaged in the watching of the video and holds you accountable. After you're done watching the video, getting the big ideas, getting the themes that you're going to be really focusing on, then you're going to read your textbook. And I know this is the part where you're like, I'm done. Click, exit, go watch a CAD video, but it's important you at least make an attempt. It doesn't matter which textbook you use. A lot of my videos are labeled American Pageant. That's because that's what we're using, but you can use any textbook and the videos will help you out. You can see on the website right there how each video correlates to the different major APUSH textbooks commonly used. Now, the cool thing about reading the textbook now is you already know the important topics and themes. The video has kind of exposed you to some of the big ideas, the main actors and actresses of this period in American history. And so now when you're reading, you can read with a sense of purpose. And as you read the textbook, annotate the right side of the slides. So if you're reading about colonial Virginia, what I would do is then right there on the right side, add additional notes to that packet. What that does is on the left, you have the main ideas. On the right, you have the details that help make sense of the left side. And so you can do notes in whatever way you'd like. My students put the page numbers on the notes on the right hand side so they can go back and reference it just in case on test day it doesn't look or turn out that good. So for most students, reading the book after watching the video and previewing the key concepts makes it a heck of a lot easier. You can even get away with skimming certain sections because if you know something's just filler or not that important, you can get to the stuff that's really important, that stuff that was bolded in red in the video. Now, another thing I recommend, not only take notes, but also make connections to the key concepts, the previous chapters, and info from the video. This is going to make your life a heck of a lot simpler later on, so keep your mind focused. Now, if at the end of reading, watching the video, and previewing the key concepts, you're still confused, on the website, we have period review videos. We also have topic videos, so give those a go if you like. If you're feeling a little bit down, we have APUSH motivational videos to get you pumped up so you can find the energy to go back into the chapter and try to figure this mess out. If you're still not motivated and you're feeling really lonely, we have APUSH pickup lines to help you find that special someone. If after those pickup lines you're still feeling down, you can go ahead and rewatch the videos. And once again, we have the key topics for each video on the website so you know what the important things are going to be. And if all else fails, get an APUSH t-shirt so that you'll look real spiffy. Hopefully these tips help. They have helped my students tremendously. We've had great success over the last 15 years. The district average for APUSH pass rate is 26%. My students have been averaging above a 90% pass rate over the last 8 years. So it works. Commit to it. And never forget, you are an American, not an Americant. So do your APUSH homework. You got this. And go to the website if you need any help. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Peace.